She thinks she could just come up to me, look at me, and just walk away? That's why she's just a little... Oh, I hate her. She could just... That little... Hey, calm down, girl. Girl, I don't give a... Girl, did I ever tell you about that time? But that little... Don't say it. Girl, I am trying to do is this. You know when you start cussing, you can't stop cussing. And you know how annoying it is. Girl, how come I can't cut? I'm about to cut you. You get it on my nerves. My last nerves. Girl, you little shut your little mouth because I'm done with this bull. Because you're not worth it. I'm out. Yeah, go ahead with your dumb self. That's why you ain't got no boyfriend. You haven't had one for like, how long? Tell me. I don't know. You look at me like I'm crazy. Excuse me. Hold. Get over here. Excuse me? Are you really cussing? Maybe nice guys finish last, but nice girls like me always get the guy. What the did you just say? Let me repeat it again. Since you're deaf. Maybe nice guys don't get the girl, but the nice girl always gets the guy with your ghetto self. How about you shut the up? Because you don't got no guy. Oh my God, hilarious. Little Miss Know-It-All doesn't know I have a boyfriend. Oh, what? I have a boyfriend. Do you not care? Oh, yeah. Just like I don't care about your life. Honestly, you could die tomorrow. I won't know. If you would die tomorrow, no one would notice. No one would miss you. And I'd probably take your boy. My what? Your boyfriend. Jeez, are you always a dumb... Girl, I will cut you! You little... I can't even stand you! That's why you ain't got no man or get your hands off of me! Ah! You get your hands off me! Ah! I hate you! Go yourself! I want to kill you! Please don't do this. Shut the up! You are stupid, ignorant, amateur. Whatever. Now who's on this side? Hey, get on my girl. You're what? Babe, what the heck? Yo, dog. You dating this chick? What? Should it matter to you to know? Dude, I'm just saying, yo, dog, you picked the wrong girl. She's like one of those goody two-shoes, right? Yeah, she's like one of those goody-goodies. You know, and I didn't know you were dating her, mug. Yeah. Ew, I touched her. I think I'm about to slam your girl. Excuse me, what did you just say? Yo, dog, don't take it too far. Jeez, I'm just trying to play some games. Obviously, this goody two-shoe made you think like I'm a wrong guy. I can't take none of this. Get your girl off the floor. She about to sweep up so much dirt. She's like a mop. Babe, come on. I'm so sorry they did that to you. Oh, No, it was mostly just her. What did you just say, you little... Oh, babe, don't even try to. These mother don't deserve our entities. Yeah, this mother... Yeah. What the... I said you're a mother. Yeah, and I also said that she's a mother. You two are the mother couple. You are out of your mind. No one even talked about my girl and me like that. You must be crazy. Because I don't play no games. Don't you with me. We've been friends for a long time, bro. And now you're just gonna put this on me because you're Goody two-shoe, girl? Oh. All she looked like to me is a booty call. Excuse me? You know, girls are more than that. Except for girls like her. Now that's a booty call. You. This little chick wanna go? This little female dog wants to go? You wanna go? Yeah, well, I will cut you. Excuse me, but that's my saying. You little seeker. What? Oh, heck not! No, get your hands on my girl! Is anything bleeding? Oh my God, your nose. Dude, what is your problem? Dude, I'm so sorry, girl. Look, I don't even know how we got into this. Dude, let's just get ourselves out of it. I'm breaking up with you. Bye. You were just a booty call anyway. Excuse me? I know you playing. Oh my God. All you little tricks for. I'm glad you got beat up. I wish you had more than a bloody nose because you annoying. No, I'm not. And that is abuse. I could call the cops on you. You just made me get a bloody nose. Little boyfriend or whatever. Your ex now. Can't even keep a guy, you little batty call. I'm breaking up with you. Babe, why? Why? Because I don't want to be in any of this crap. This was not worth the bloody nose. I can't believe this. I better wash this off. How the they get into this? Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and please don't kill me. Parents, please don't kill me. Family, please don't kill me. This is not. I didn't even say the real words. I can't Yeah, I didn't say the real words. I have this thing. I did not say it. Don't kill me. If I didn't say it, then you have no reason to kill me. Bye, OPS gangsters. Like, comment, subscribe.